Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Samsung Galaxy Notes application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my phone and as you can see, I have installed the Samsung Galaxy Notes application and I'm going to open it. If we want to create new note on our Samsung Galaxy Note, we can click on this icon. Okay, and you can draw on your note by clicking on this draw icon just like this. You can also create to-do list by tapping on this checkbox icon like this. You can create list like this. Okay, then you can check it. You can click on this checkbox if you have done the list. You can also change the font size right here. I'm just going to make it smaller. Okay. Okay, and if you want to add pictures or voice recording, you can click on this plus icon. Then you will be able to add image, PDF file, voice recording, audio file, drawing, or text box. And you can add it according to your needs. And if you want to save this note as PDF file or Microsoft Word file, you can click on the three dots and then click on Save as File. Okay, then you will be able to save it as PDF file, Word file, PPT file, or image file. And it's up to you guys. But if you want to save this note only, you just need to go back and then the note will be saved automatically. This is the note I have just created. And if you want to lock it, guys, you can tap and hold on the note and click on lock. Okay, now this note has been locked. You can also create folder. Click on the three lines and then go to the manage folders. And I'm going to create folder, for example, for my to-do list. Oops, like this. And we can change the color of the folder. I'm going to select red and click on add. Okay, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to add some notes to the to-do list folder. Just like this. And click on move and click on to-do list. Okay, I'm going to add one more note to the to-do list. Just like that. And if we want to check the folder, we just need to click on the three lines and then select the folder. Okay, it will help you to organize your notes. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use Samsung Galaxy Notes. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.